I really want to find Dorothy for Toto. I'll get you, my pretty. You're a little dog, too.
We can show you pieces to find her. Hi, it's time for some more fun with Jay and Harm. I'm Jay.
I'm Harm.
Today we are going to show you how you can find out what minifigure you have in your blind bag without even opening it.
And then we're going to open it.
And here's Scarecrow. He has his certificate of achievement, so you can feel that. We also felt for his hat, but that was a big mistake because we ended up getting it mixed up with this crane guy. But then we realized that the crane guy's thing went all the way over him.
I think this one's Tinman because of the bow tie and the heart in the axe. You might get his pointy head confused with the crayon or Scarecrow.
And you also might get his axe confused with Abraham Lincoln's axe or President Business Golf Club.
Ooh.
Woohoo!
He came with multiple bow ties. Look at this cool heart clock piece.
That's really cool.
And here's the axe. And here's the heart.
We found 2 Wizard of Oz people.
Ow! I got you, my pretties, and you're, well, not your little dog yet, but your little raptor, too.
And then I think this one's the Cowardly Lion because I felt his award and his hair and his tail. The tail is easy to get mixed up with this guy's whip. Harmony, do you think I should make his tail be going down? Or should I make his tail be going up?
Up.
Okay.
Coward lion.
The Cowardly Lion has a smile face and a sad face. And finally, after going to 4 stores and being fooled by this cat lady, we found Dorothy!
I got you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
There's 2 other animals. One's a raptor, so with the raptor, there is no ears. So if you feel the ears, you know it's not the raptor. But there's also a dog that also has ears, but it doesn't have the spiny thing. So if you feel that, you know it's not the dog. We got the characters from the Wizard of Oz who we were looking for, and a few others that we were looking for. And now you know how to find them when you want them. I hope this helps you find out which LEGO minifigure you have in your LEGO Movie 2 blind bag. Bye! Thanks for watching!
It's easier to find these guys if you use this because of all the things you can see. You can get this off of our website or in the comments below.